Welcome to the world of the Fact Finder. The solar system is one of the most fascinating and awe-inspiring wonders of the universe. It is a vast and complex system, consisting of 8 planets, numerous dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies, all orbiting around the Sun. Understanding the formation and current state of the solar system has been a subject of intense study and exploration for centuries, and yet, there is still much to discover. In this video, we will delve into the details of the solar system, exploring its history, structure, and the various celestial objects that make it up. Chapter 1. Formation of the solar system. The solar system formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust, known as a solar nebula. This nebula began to collapse under its own gravity, causing it to heat up and spin faster. As the cloud collapsed, it began to flatten into a disc-shaped structure with the Sun at its center. Within this disk, tiny particles began to stick together through a process called accretion, forming larger and larger bodies. Eventually, these bodies became the 8 planets we know today. The process of accretion was also responsible for the formation of dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Chapter 2. The Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system, and the source of all the energy that drives it. It is a G-type main sequence star, which means that it is an average-sized star in the middle of its life cycle. The Sun has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers and accounts for 99.86% of the total mass in the solar system. The Sun produces energy through a process called nuclear fusion, in which hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing energy in the process. This energy is radiated outwards in the form of heat and light, providing the energy that drives the climate and weather on Earth. Chapter 3. Inner planets. The inner planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are often referred to as the rocky or terrestrial planets because they are primarily made of rock and metal. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it is the closest to the Sun. It has a very thin atmosphere and no moons. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is known for its thick atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. It has no moons. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only planet known to support life. It has one moon, which is the 5th largest moon in the solar system. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. It has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Chapter 4. Asteroid Belt and Outer Planets. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a region of space between Mars and Jupiter that contains millions of small rocky objects called asteroids. Next, let's talk about the 4 outer planets of the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are often referred to as the gas giants because they are primarily made of hydrogen and helium gas. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and has a powerful magnetic field. It has at least 79 known moons, including the 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, which are made of ice and rock particles. It has at least 82 moons, with its largest moon, Titan, being larger than the planet Mercury. Uranus and Neptune are both ice giants, meaning they are made primarily of water, ammonia, and methane ices. They have faint ring systems and a total of 27 and 14 known moons, respectively. Chapter 5. Dwarf planets and other objects. In addition to the 8 planets and the asteroid belt, the solar system also contains numerous dwarf planets, moons, comets, and other space objects. One of the most famous dwarf planets is Pluto, which was once considered the ninth planet in the solar system before it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto has 5 known moons. Other notable dwarf planets include Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, and Eris, which is slightly larger than Pluto, and located in the Kuiper belt. Comets are also an important part of the solar system, and they are believed to be remnants from the early formation of the solar system. Comets have a distinct appearance, with a bright coma or head and a tail that extends away from the Sun. Finally, let's come to the conclusion. The solar system is a fascinating and complex system that continues to intrigue astronomers and scientists. From its formation 4.6 billion years ago to its current state, the solar system has undergone many changes and is still evolving. With ongoing exploration and study, we can continue to learn more about our place in the universe, and the mysteries of the solar system. As we conclude our exploration of the solar system, it is clear that there is still so much to learn and discover about this vast and complex system. From the formation of the planets to the ongoing exploration of space, our knowledge of the solar system continues to expand and evolve. As technology advances and new discoveries are made, we can only imagine what exciting developments and insights the future will hold. But one thing is certain, the solar system will continue to captivate and inspire us with its beauty, complexity, and endless mysteries for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the solar system. We hope that you found this exploration informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this essay, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on future videos and content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or informative, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.